Hello everybody, it's me, Mr. Chan. If you're watching this video, it means that I'm dead. Dead tired from flying all the way to Japan. But seriously, I'm not here. I'm long gone. I'm on the other side of the world. But I've left you in very capable hands. And I've recorded some of my lessons onto video so you can watch them in class. Now, I am expecting you, every one of you, to be on your best behavior. I'm going to be back in 2 weeks. So, until then, let's get some work done. Especially you. Hello, everybody. Okay, so today we are going to do another investigation. This time, we're going to try to discover two of the exponent laws, which we will learn about later. So, just like your other investigations, we're going to start off with this table here, and you're going to take a look at what's happening here and try to find a pattern. So, we talked about repeated multiplication before, and that's the idea of taking a power and writing it out as, in this case, 2 to the power 5 can be thought of as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So if you see the word repeated multiplication, that's what they want you to do with the power. So let's take a look at this first power. It's 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. So when they ask you to write out as repeated multiplication, we take this 2 to the power 3 and we turn it into 2 times 2 times 2. And then it's going to be multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2 to the power of 4. Okay. Then if you take a step back and look at this whole thing, it's just a bunch of 2's. Well, how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2's. So that's 2 to the power of 7. And the idea is you continue and do this for this expression, and this expression down here. Then we're going to take a look and try to find a shortcut. See if you can spot a pattern. Is there a faster way of going from this expression to this single power? Okay. Then in part 3, they want you to describe that using some more math terminology. So rather than just saying, oh, I took this number and this number, you want to use terminology like, oh, I took the base, I took the exponent, and I did this. And we have here some variables to kind of help you along with that. So A is the base, okay? M is the exponent, and N is the other exponent on the second number. Okay, so you can use those when you're describing. So you say, oh, I took M and I did this with N, and that way you can use the variables to help describe this in general terms. So like describe the steps you would take in your shortcut. Then we complete this expression. So if we saw something that looked like this, what would it turn into? All right, part 4, they want you to use that shortcut and apply it to this expression here, okay? And then they want you to verify to see if you got the same answer. If you were to write this out with a repeated multiplication, would you get the same single power at the end? All right. Then part 5, they want you to take a look at this expression and see if your shortcut applies, okay? And so try it out here, okay? See if you get the same answer, which is supposed to be 200. If it works, just show me how it works. If it doesn't work, show me how far you get along and then just compare the answers and say, yeah, this doesn't work. And then if it doesn't work, in part 6, they want you to explain why you think it didn't work out. So you kind of see a problem with it and say, I think the thing that's holding it back or the little hiccup is that there's this thing that's going on. And so now, going back to those steps that you gave for using your shortcut, do you need to add any rules to it? Like, are there any restrictions you have to include? And so you would put that down in here. Okay? This part here, it's the same thing, same process, same steps, but we're now looking at slightly different expressions. So your shortcut may be a little bit different. Okay? So work through this. If you have any questions, you can try to ask for clarification, right? But the instructions should be fairly straightforward. Feel free to rewind if you need to see the instructions again. Good luck.